Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Merry Christmas to you guys out there, and I hope you guys were enjoying your days, and I hope you guys eat Christmas chicken as well. So this particular video today will be just like on a kudos to people that are probably raised on broiler last month and they were intending in selling it this Christmas. People that real broiler this year, let me just say yes, this year. So kudos to you guys because you guys really tried it. It's not easy, due to the fact that the feed cost is kind of very high. So due to that, I think a lot of people doesn't go into poultry that much this year. But for people that are eventually invest into that poultry farming and you sell your chicken this year, kudos to you guys because you guys really tried. It's not easy. The reason why I decided to post this video as well is because I went to the market yesterday to get chickens. Chicken is kind of very, very expensive. It's very, very expensive. Before I started this video, you guys can see that little chicken that I just passed. So that particular one is on 7,500 naira. 7,500 naira. Meanwhile, last year it was like around that 5,000 to 4,000 thereabout. But this year, chicken is very, very high. So it's an opportunity for people that haven't entered or invest their money into on poultry farm entered before. People that haven't invested into poultry farm before. It's an opportunity for you to invest your money into it. And why for people that have been into this farming and due to that, because of the high cost of feed and everything, you decided to stop. It also is sad bit for you guys as well because this down because the price of things are going higher day by day. So how can we prevent that for people that are just entering into this business or for people that have been into this business for a very long time? How can you maintain it? How can you make sure that you are available in this business and you are keeping this business running day by day? Due to the fact that the feed is expensive, now how can we not do it or in such a way that the price of feed will be cheaper for people that are coming up. So I just try to like, okay, what can we do to reduce the price of this stuff? Is by, for example, if you are rearing up to like 10,000 or 1,000 chicken before, you need to reduce the amount of chicken you rear now. You need to reduce it. First of all, reduce the amount of chicken you are rearing in your farm. And if you are a beginner, I then advise you to start in a larger scale. Start in a smaller quantity for you to maintain them easily. And in times of marketing period, it's very easy for you to market them. So start in a smaller way. And second way to kind of make profit from it, if you can do the frozen one, you keep it inside fridge. When killing the chicken, you preserve it and start selling the frozen one. With that, you will make your profit as well. But keeping them for a very long time for you to sell them during Christmas or during Easter time, my dear, you might not end up making the profit that you're looking for because the price of feed itself is kind of high. So due to that, for people that are investing into poultry farming, they are making a loss. So in short, a lot of people doesn't even invest into poultry farming this year. Like I said, because when I went to the market, it's very few. I just saw few people selling this chicken. But I can't blame them because the price of things are going on. So, and third thing is you must learn how to be doing this feed yourself. When you start learning how to, probably make the feed on yourself, all by yourself, and you invest into maybe probably you invest into corn, the maize farm or soya beans farm, you can also get all those ingredients and do them yourself. You can be formulating the feed yourself and be giving it to your chicken. So with that, it will reduce the expenses of you going to the market to buy the feed. So it's an opportunity for you to invest into farming as well. So now you should know that yes, 2022 that we are about entering into now, if you haven't invested into be on agri or on farming thing of a thing, then you need to invest into it now. Start it now so that you'll be making profit out of it. So at then being you have a maize farm or probably the soya beans farm or the rest things or the rest additive that you add into the feed might have been few. So you wouldn't have spent much in that area. But for people that doesn't even have a farm, you doesn't even have a base farm, you still need to buy all this feed from them, and this feed are expensive. It's not the fault of the people that are selling the feed to you. It's because most of them doesn't even plant as well. So they buy all these ingredients as well and they buy it at a high quality and at a high price. So they then to want to make profit, you yourself that is raising these particular chickens want to make profit. So how can you guys balance it? So it's important for you to go into farming yourself as well. So if you're going into farming, you will have most of these ingredients and you start making the feed yourself. So making the feed on yourself will help to reduce the cost of the money that you'll be spending in the feeding of the poultry bed. So for people that want to go into maybe probably 2022, right? And because 2021 is about going, very soon we are entering into 2022. So for people that want to go into, for a beginner out there, that if you want to go into poultry farming, first thing that you need to know is you must not start in a larger quantity. Start in a smaller way, so you'll be able to maintain it or you'll be able to manage the farm. Second way is on you must reduce, probably if you want to reduce the cost of spending in the poultry farming, then you must go into farming yourself. Go into farming in such a way that most of those ingredients that you'll be giving to them, you must learn how to plant them yourself. So with that, it will reduce the expenses of what you be on going to buy from outside to feed your chickens. So those are things that I just want you guys to pictures out or to learn out of this particular video today, because chicken is very, very expensive. In short, the other yesterday that I went to buy it, I was like, "Ah, I didn't even know that chicken would be kind of expensive to this level. I would have just raised or maybe probably two or three that I'll keep for this Christmas." But mind you, we still need to learn. We are learning every day. Learning still continue. We can't finish learning at once. So we'll keep on learning, and at the end of the day, we'll make it perfect or we'll become perfect. But practice make perfect. So if you practice what I just released to you guys today, I think with that you will excel in poultry farming. Poultry farming is lucrative. It's very, very lucrative, to be sincere. It's lucrative and it's profitable as well. So if you don't want to go into it, you can go into other livestock as well. And if you want to go into it, but you just do your calculation, do your strategies before going into it, because it will going to cost you if you didn't do your proper planning well. And as well, I want to thank you guys for subscribing to our YouTube channel, for liking our videos, and for sharing. You guys are trying. You guys are really, really trying. So I give kudos to you guys, and I hope to see you guys in 2022. I want to see you guys excel in fish farming, in crop farming, whichever types of farming you want to go into. My major concern is to see you guys excel. So please, if you have more questions to ask me at this end of this video, I'll be dropping my contact list. Do all to contact me, ask me, and I will put you through. So, and if you want to start up any farm, like we said, we are always available for you guys. You can call us and we'll come to wherever you are to start up the farm for you. So we will do your farm very well. We'll construct the farm very well in such a way that you yourself, you will love what we did for you. So please, if you are new in our channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell to be notified when next we drop a new videos like this for you. Kindly like this video and keep on sharing. Bye, and I love you all.